Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Coffee with Coletta. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you share this out with your family, your followers, your friends, anybody that you care about, and tell them that they too can get a policy that they can call their own. So, with this episode of Coffee with Coletta, make sure that you grab your coffee, your hot chocolate, your tea, whatever it may be, and tune in to see how you can get a plan that you can call your own. Grab your coffee, hot chocolate, or tea, whatever it may be. It's time for your caffeine dose of life insurance. Making sure that when you are sitting down, or even over the phone, making sure that you let them know what it is that you need, right? Now, a lot of brokers and agents, sometimes they are good with just offering you what they feel is the best product. That is good, but you also want to let them know what it is that you want as well. Make sure you share that with them, because it's very important that you get something that not only fits your budget, but something that also fits your needs. Okay, and vice versa. Because the thing is, if you get something that the agent feel like is best for you, it may be too expensive for what you can afford each and every month, right? It sounds good, and that may be the perfect policy, but maybe not for you at this time in your life. Maybe a little bit down the road, you can make some changes, or you can add some things, or whatever you need to do. But at that time, you definitely want to be clear with your broker, with your life insurance broker or agent, and let them know what it is that you're looking for, what it is you're trying to accomplish, and also what your budget is. A lot of times they will ask you that, which they should be asking you that. I always ask my clients that up front. You know, I kind of ask them a few things, a couple of questions to kind of get what they're needing. And then I kind of take all that information, gather it. And since I'm a broker, I can kind of look at different, insurance companies, which are carriers, by the way, look at different insurance companies and gather all of that and let them know something that is, that will be good for them, and let them find out what their budget is and kind of go from there. So I do specialize in that 15-minute phone calls and helping those to get a policy that fits their needs and their budget. So you want to make sure of that, because guess what? If you get something that they're telling you is so good for you and you feel like you're being forced into it and you can't afford it, guess what? That policy is going to lapse. You're going to stop paying. It's not going to do you any good, and you no longer have a policy, right? And so you don't want that. But then again, you also want something that's going to provide the needs that you need, obviously, right? The needs. That's the whole point. So you want to have something that is going to provide what you're looking for, because you may need to have certain, different living benefits, and you want to make sure that's covered. You may need to have certain add-ons onto it because that's what you need, whether it's a certain add-on riders, different things, which that's another video we could talk about. But I go through those things, and your agent should know as well what those things are. So you want to express that to them and make sure that they express to you and hear you out and actually listen to what it is that you're saying. Make sure they're listening, not just pushing something out on you. That's the problem. So that you can make sure that you have what you need. So be very careful of that, because again, for me, like I always tell my clients, a policy that you can afford and that will help you right now is better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. You can always change in the future, add on, or whatever you need to do. But what you don't want to do is get into something that's not going to do you any good. And I will say this, speaking of this, quotes are not going to get you covered. Okay? Going around getting quotes and quotes and quotes and quotes and rates and rates and quotes and rates, however you want to call them. Listen, that's not going to help you. It's not going to help you, because you're wasting a lot of time. Nothing's wrong with that. But just keep in mind, the longer you wait, the higher the rate, right? I always tell you guys that. So, but that's all the information today, because it's just a caffeine dose. Remember, it's just a caffeine dose of life insurance for you. And that's what we do here with Coffee with Coletta. So I hope that you've grabbed your coffee, your hot chocolate, or your tea, whatever it may be, and that you've tuned in. And make sure that you share, make sure that you follow or subscribe or share this out wherever you're watching this video, and keep those things in mind. And again, if you are looking for a life insurance broker that can help you find a plan that you can call your own, something that's in your budget, and also based on the needs that you need. Please give me, reach out. Please reach out to me. Okay. Let me know. Reach out. Go to the link in the bio. You want to go ahead and click on the link that's in the bio or in the description box, wherever you're seeing this video at. Make sure that you share this out. I love this coffee cup. Love it, love it. Make sure it's a really, this is my favorite. You guys have seen me with this one a lot because it's like a huge coffee cup. Make sure that you you go ahead and you reach out with the link in the bio or in the description box based on wherever you're seeing this video at, so that you can go ahead and get someone that's going to help you to get the plan you need in the budget that you want. So that's pretty much really all I have to say to you guys today. Very short. This is a caffeine dose. Until then, thank you so much. Hashtag Coffee with Coletta. Share it out. Links in the bio or in the description box. And I look forward to helping you with a 15-minute call. Talk to you soon. Bye.